All right, I'm back, and we're going to do some more letters for our sign language ABC later song. So we've done so far in the alphabet. Go ahead and join me. We've done A, B, C, close and put your first finger up, D, thumb and the fingernails for E, F, first finger and thumb are touching, G, something is really small, H, two fingers pointing that way, I with your pinky, J, scoop it, K, peace sign with your thumb in the middle. Next one is L, is actually pretty easy. We're gonna just make an L with our thumb and our first finger. This looks like an uppercase L. Got it? L. The next one's a little tricky though. Okay, so I'm gonna do an M. I'm gonna put my thumb right in this little space between my pinky and my ring finger. I'm going to put my thumb there. I'm going to close my fingers down over it. And do you see how my thumb just kind of pokes out? Now, it's very important that I have 1, 2, 3 knuckles and then my thumb. And then you have your pinky left over. Okay, so that's our M. Got it? So I'm going to put my thumb over my pinky. In fact, that might help if you put your pinky down. And then 3 fingers over it, and then that's your M. Good. Now that we've got M, N is pretty easy. I'm going to move my finger over 1, and it's the same thing, but except we're going to poke our thumb out in the middle. So I've got 2 fingers here, 2 fingers here, and my thumb is poking out right in the middle. I'll show you a little bit closer. So this is M, and this is N. I've got my thumb on top of my middle finger. Good. So we had L, M, N, and then we're going to go ahead and add O, because O just looks like an O. Make sure you're using all your fingers and they're squished together. They're not spread out wide. All your fingers, not just 2 of your fingers, to make that O. Good. Something you could see through. Okay. And then we're going to finish up today with P. So P, I'm going to make the same as my K, but I'm going to put it upside down. There we go. All right. Go ahead and practice with the video, and then we'll move on to the next video.